don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
Last video we had learned how to add subscribers manually. But practically speaking, is it possible while running a business you can go practically and add one by one subscribers? So practically it is not possible. So what is the solution to this problem? Just no need to worry guys. See, if you have an email list on CSV file or your Excel sheet or maybe your Google Drive account, Google Contact account, then you can just upload it from there or copy paste it from there. So it is very easy. So I'll tell you the solution to this problem to add directly all the subscribers at a glance. Okay. So if you have email list, if you have list option in the menu, just click on it and then click on import contact. If not, then go into audience and then go over here manage audience and click on import contacts. Okay, so here you have four options. Resume previous import, the last subscriber you have added, same like that. CSV, that is a CSV file if you have, you can upload it. Copy paste from file, that is from Excel or maybe your calculator, so you can copy paste from your file. Or integrated service. What is integrated service? If you click on integrated service, then you'll see your option here, that is Google Drive, Google Contact, Constant Contact, Zoho. So if you have an account, Google Drive account or Google Contact or any one of this, and your file, your subscribers list is added over there, then you can just click over here and upload that file by selecting that file. Okay, that's it. But now I'll tell you a way where we have created an email list on Excel. Okay, if you're having an email list on Excel, then how we are going to do is first click on this, copy paste from Excel. Then you have to do is click on continue option at the right bottom. Okay, now here you are going to paste your contact information. So you need to go to the Excel file. Now we'll go to the Excel file and we'll just copy it from there. Okay guys, now I have opened my Excel sheet where I have made a dummy email ID, first name and last name. You can add over here as the phone number, then the address and so on. You can create a list of the contact information. But for example, for giving a dummy example, I have written only email ID, first name and last name, that also dummy names. Okay, so let's work on it. Firstly, I'll click here, then I'll click on Ctrl+A because I want to select the whole thing. After clicking on Ctrl+A, I am also going to click Ctrl+C to copy it. And then I'll go to my website over here and then I'll click Ctrl+V, or I'll right click and then click on, and then I can click on, or just right click and then I can click on paste. So it would be done. So just no need to worry about that. It is very easy. And now what you can do, you have to click on this. I understand that my billing plan may be automatically upgraded. See, when this list exceeds 2000, that is 2001, when it will become to that number, then this plan would be updated. So you have to pay for it. So you have to click on this. After clicking upon this, you will see your option over here, that is continue to match at the right bottom. Then clicking on to continue to match, you have got many options over here. Okay, like different things. Okay, now you want it, you don't want it. I'll just remove this one thing. Edit, if you want to click on edit, I'll save it, Okay, I'll skip it. Edit, I'll save it. Okay, save it. Okay, then I'll click on this also and I'll save it. Okay, now I'm going to click on this, and what I'm going to select here is last name, and then I'm going to save this thing. Okay, now it is saved. Now I'll click on next. Okay, now continue to organize. I'll click on at the right bottom. Tag all contactors. If you want to do it, you can do it, but I'll not do it. Suggested popular tags, newsletter, new, this all things are there. You can just go on to it and see what is there. See, update existing content, update existing contact. If any imported contacts are already in your, see, what is this option giving you? See, if you are putting the same thing, like for example, while writing the subscribers, you have made a mistake, or they are getting married, or they have changed their name. So if you want to change it, then you can just click on it and put it over there. So if it is matching, then it would automatically change the surname or whatsoever it is. But yeah, you can click on it. Now, why you want them? Now this option is why you exactly want them. Choose status of these contacts. Now what? Do you want these people should be your subscribers? Do you want to unsubscribe them, non-subscribe them, and clean up them? Non-subscribe contacts haven't opt in to receive your email marketing campaign but can receive transaction emails from your store. You can also market to them through ads and postcards. So you will unsubscribe them from emails, but they will be there for, they'll receive an email from transactions and other postcards and all their ads. Okay, unsubscribers means completely unsubscribed. Subscribers means subscribing them. Non-subscribers means no email, but they'll receive an email when they'll give a transaction or any ad is there or postcard, they'll receive it. And to clean them up, you also can clean it. Okay, but we'll click on subscribers only because we want to add them as the subscribers. Now click on continue to review on the right bottom. Okay, import method, copy paste, import 3 of 3. Status of contact subscribers, whatever we have done is showing here. Update existing contacts. Okay, now click on import to the right bottom. Now it would be just done. Now can you see, guys, that see the email address has been added, XYZ PQR, then XYZ PQR, XYZ PQR. Then I have not put their address, I have not added their phone number, I have not put any birthday dates, I have not put any tags, so it is empty. I have put them as my subscribers, so subscribers. Source list import from where we have imported. Okay, so in this way we are going to add all the subscribers directly without doing any manual one by one subscription. So in this way we can just do it directly. See what we did, we first had gone to the audience, and then in manage or contact we had gone to import contact. In import contact we can choose either CSV file if we have a CSV file. Then if you want to copy paste from Excel or anything, then we can just click on copy paste and copy it from there and paste it over here. Then the next option was if you have a Google Drive account or if you have a Google Contact account, Zoho Work Online account, then you can just, and it is uploaded over there, then you can just go click on it, select that file and upload it over here. And then you have to just do next, that is at the right bottom, and you can just edit that file. And this is all about how to add your contact list and nothing much else. Okay guys, and in this way you are going to add subscribers directly.